this one ko me joining la ka Nkanelo Gingirikani mina Mandla Gingirikani ka mashava. As you can see la kuna ngta video Mr. Post ak Madlokonya. Madlokonya itere ku ya leswi nga swula ka GCR. U vulavula hi mavondlo. Mavondlo la swinyana swo ku swa swintsonga swo ku ti lavela swakudya kumbe ku ti hande ku ti phandela. So I don't ku video leyiwani yi khomele yini. It's a viewing session like you've seen. Hi nangta Madlokonya. Sorry, antshuneta hita ya mina kusuhani. Leswi khandla video leyin'wana to ku hisa swinene. Se swo swi na titimela. Le ku titimeleni guys. Okay, I don't ku Mr. Post u ri yini. Loko hi nangta video yena leyi nga thwa Madlokonya. Xute hi vanhu va ka Ngalasi NR Music or Titus Pictures, I'm not sure. But I tell lava nga swi endla. Mr. Post aku Madlokonya.
La ku siya Madlokonya mkhami swi vona ku Madlokonya se musa. Mane vuya mane langwa mane siya Madlokonya.
There's a picture that I saw, kaka, like this one. It went straight with the drums. Somewhere here, I'll show you. La, kwala mzo kaka. If can you from the drums, beautiful stuff. I like it. Okay, so Mr. Post, isukini anterweni le angai isi kona Madlokonya. Misvoni ichuku logo video sungula ichuku mete na worksuit kukomba ku walangwa kumbe wafamba. You know, kumbe tsikantiru, something like that. And then if I'm by baskir loka anterweni, so ubuyini se ngena kaya akabona kuna shack. Laba inside wa kona laba banga imali na xibelani. I love this, guys. You know, the video is not linear. I'm saying linear. So loku hiku linear. If loku yisungula ka story xin'we loko xi hela yisungena ka xin'wana loko xi hela ngena yi mixela swilo swa hinkwaswo. Beautiful stuff. Kuna macini, kuna storyline xi nga ku humeleleni. And then it's two storylines leti nga ku humeleleni lani. Ile ku fambeni ile ku cineni it's like more of a park. Na loko arikaya lava nga vele ku cineni le tlhelo and swi humela at the same time. Swi endla ku video yi nandziha swilo leswiya. So the video is not linear. Yi swi endla ku na video yi nga bori. Beautiful stuff. This is Nomonde Roger. No, video yi shootwe kahle guys. There are different locations as you can see. Kumbana to homu. Mr. Post amakaku ya shoot a video. I like shikipele sha. Mara post at fed nje sekaska video leo at fed bay hembe straight. Loko Mr. Post do buy hembe lane. Kuri hembe le ya mantari nyana so yole ya maboko yole dole ya le dam gupa le. It will be nice, man. Kumshana wafuna vitane mina kwentaba the art director. Mr. Post, you can't be shooting a video. You keep a shesha plain t-shirt. Not to say you don't want to advertise people, but effort, baba, effort. Look at Nomonde Roger. She made a lot of effort. Where's the art director in the video? Guys, beautiful. I love this video. This video yatangeka le ka Trace kumbe ka channel oliwa. Wabo ushutwe njani? There are different locations, happening at the same time. A yime location leya yin'wana yi hela then nghena ka leya yin'wana loko huma ka leya then i tluwa pfanga hi leswi faneleke swi humelela ka video. Isa simani lavo hayi hey no mondere java kona ne hey va nga hi bayizisa na hina ile prasi lawane ile ka madonoro la prasi ra kona la Mr Post anga langwa kona loko a langwa la a ku langwini a famba hi baskiri a suka la. This part I wish there was more of that dancing ile ya kungunyutela liya ka this portion kwala ka lawa loko se nciji tisumiro nciji lawa this part this is where they should be like dancing ra kungunyutela bakava mix na the picture letiya Mr Post ya china hayi so it's this like a video lewan kahle monhlona madlazi jero a xitori xa ku va ximunhu hatwa la xikha xi hlamusela leswi nga humelela ka madonoro xi byela nsati wa kona kumbe girlfriend ya kona kumbe xigangu xa kona ku la ku famba hi baskiri munhu mi miyela location ya video leyi nga xitiwe kwini guys 14C ni vona loko xi sungula ku na ntshava yin'wana la nga ri le Mangombe la 14C loko swi na Mangombe ne la this part ku ri Mangombe lawa Mangombe mountain that other side ku ri Gen College ku va ku ri Nsami Thomo Makosha Tshama you know alava va Mngoni na Risinga kumba ile 14C la kumbe matiko lama va xawela ku na tintshava ta sona kona ku na tshava ta so hala xawela ne ngari loko nga ri hala Phalabura hala matiko lama loko hinda va Nkomo ku ri patu ra gravel hala guys hayi patu ra va ri lunghisi ni kombela ku meyara loko mu twa message lowu mi lunghisa patu hayi akufambeki ha lena ri blind pothole suka anyway hele ka madonoro la mara eku ya video yona ximunhu hatwa xi tikomba nga ri xona xiloloha mos loko boss yi ta la hambi madonoro wa kona a ta kha inspector kuma ku va n'wi byela ka loyi dzumba tlele ku xisa xin'wana xi dzuma xi le ku ripoteni xiwa lexiwa xi le ku va byeleni ku hayi misa loyi dzumba tlele leyiwani and impela xi vona so notion leya ku risimu leri bifa Prince Rangani could not be true maybe they're just playing with visuals. And that's how Mr. Bush ndarisimu ku nga ri na ngoma nghenisiwaku Tele beef, guys. I can't even do it. Win, Mr. Post. Hey, it's a slow one. I'm going to blah blah. No more the Roger. And Steve. Vakahle. BK, I'm winner la. One are BK le bachinagula. Matitela mashkale. Whoa. Hey, that move. Okay, guys, what was that about? Okay, I want to talk about this. I just feel like this is beautiful, the beautiful pictures, and thank God I couldn't video Mara, they should have got someone who can dance this kind of dance. Cause mina nina nyangu naman really bush guys. Na stuck mchinolo chinwanjan. And the young man is trying. Mara ai akufene kumeka munhu wawo munhu wele bush akota kuchina swaso. Because it's not doing justice to this kind of a dance. Because it's suit show me guys. I've lovely le show on the suit. Unfortunately, as much as this video can try to hide things about the song, we know what the song is about. It's a beef song. Interesting that there's a cow there. Beef. That's why I'm thinking like they're using the homo for a beef song. What makes beef? A cow. Cow can give you milk and meat. Beef. Voice no more the Roger lovely Yona guys. Can we talk about the person? She's beautiful. She's dressed nicely, manicured, beautiful, duku, makeup, the ponds, every shafambelana. The colors letting at the resort last fambelana shangas mbala. No going at Tibla Singali Pagat. No, wrong key. You are too high, Mr. Post. Okay, so what do you guys think? It's a good video. I love the colors. I love the storylines. I like the fact that Kutre watch in different locations, and there was an effort when they did this video. And then usually look na mapapa is a bit difficult to dump fan kana mapapa in the room come shooter. That's one film I'm coming to reflect as late Amara. The video is nice, beautiful. I like the first shot. This shot, what called this? It's called a bird eye view. What is this shot? Loco, no, this one. I love this shot. Come shortly one. You know, that bed ivy shot is beautiful. And then this shot, the shot that I'm not sure about them. I'm not sure. Even the dancing, they could have got a better dancer for this. The cow's issue, which is beef. What other thing? This lady, yeah, but you know, Sisla was nen. Looking at stick with woman. I also like these shots with these medium shots that they used, and I wish Mr. Post was looking more with conviction into the camera. Look, I can't this shot because this shot the subject to the camera with conviction, like you are looking at me as the person who's watching you. Like imagine me as a viewer. So Mr. Post slam mnganyumi ngopfu baba mnganyuma ka swilo leswi walolowa Mr. Post. So va n'wi hlongola hikuva i lan'we hikuva a lolowa Mr. Post a nga lavi ku tirha ka madonoro. But it's a beef song, as you can see the cows swo hi nge humi ka swona. But anyway, mi vona njhani video, mi twa nga ri yindle swona, ti-picture tinjhani, storyline mi twa swi sasekini ku va ku ri the dancing ya xihlangani. I wish because this video vele yona a yi lava ku ngunyutela ne, mara ni twinge ra fela ku munhu u kota ku ngunyutela swa straight. But the poor child, the poor kid tried. He tried. Shame. He really tried. So, well done. Na shot komba ko aymun wele bush. So, maybe loko bo ya bush ba ko mun wele bush aba komba kuchina look. Yeah, I also love this location. Beautiful stuff. Ambile queen kwala. Anyway, so ngomiri hi video li ya Madlokonya. Stock mi bone khale. Mina mavonele ya n'wina. Swi kahle ku hi fa hi vona ti video ka music wa Xitsonga. Video leyi ku ya mina ya qualify ku va ya ka Trace Music kumbe ka Channel O kumbe ka Mzansi Music. Swi swi tani a ni swi ku va plugiwi na, mara swi komba swi sasekini. It's a good beautiful stuff. So yeah, like Nkanelo Gingirikani ta ikanela ita nika net ratings. Mina ni ri video lewani yi nika tingani. Mina ni lewani video van ver min favor Mr. Post. Yeah. Nika 9. I'll just give it a 9. Yeah, for the effort. They made a lot of effort for this video. It's beautiful. Beautiful video. I love it. I really love this video. There was no cutting short corners, you know. I think I chakamela. Kuna ku video sunga kahle fika chakamela masu ashkar. Le chakamelangi until is hela video to komba ya sasekini. So beautiful. Well done, Mr. Post. So I'll give it a 9. Let's have more of these kind of videos. Na stock Mr. Post look shi bengoma na stock sha swiranda kwenda ti video. I video sungula Mr. Post li. Kuna Ngwamzamani as well, ikona video you mean, and kuna liwa foot. So kuna liya tingoma ta fashion na you mean. So Mr. Post ku kumisa the video I rosungula, he always does this kind of things. So which it's like we fa confused. Mr. Post is serious in music kumba nga serious na. So I don't know kuri okanga serious shock performer. Mara in terms of creating the art, he is serious. Mara kuramba rambo performer ngara anga kona ngofu kumbe kwa ngurambe, I don't know. But anyway, so I'll say well done. Yeah, 9 for me. What do you guys give this video in terms of ratings? You know, ijele la hansi can subscribe balo kana mngar kona la Nkanelo Gingirikani le gere mina ne kana ka guys trust so le nyora am testing totora. Salute. Mengatiti meli. Don't be cold. Madlokonya.